a melon of many names. My journey with Cucumis Melo. For years, I'd known melons as juicy summer treats. But recently, I stumbled upon the intriguing world of Cucumis Melo, the scientific name encompassing a vast array of melons beyond the familiar cantaloupe and honeydew. From the netted skins of muskmelons to the smooth rinds of casabas, Cucumis Melo offered a symphony of flavors and textures. But my fascination took a surprising turn when I discovered its potential health benefits, particularly for kidney stones. See more 63 species in genus Cucumis at monsteraholic.com. How Cucumis Melo might aid kidney stones. Kidney stones are tiny, mineralized masses that form in the kidneys and can cause excruciating pain. While water remains the cornerstone of prevention, I learned that certain foods might play a role. Cucumis Melo, rich in water and potassium, has emerged as a potential ally. Potassium helps regulate fluids and electrolyte balance, possibly reducing the risk of stone formation. Additionally, some studies suggest Cucumis Melo's high water content may dilute urine, making it less hospitable to stone development. However, it's crucial to remember that research on Cucumis Melo's effectiveness against kidney stones is ongoing. While it might offer some benefit, it shouldn't be considered a sole treatment strategy. Consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice is paramount, especially if you have existing kidney issues. The joys of growing Cucumis Melo. Intrigued by Cucumis Melo's potential and flavor diversity, I decided to cultivate my own. Growing Cucumis Melo turned out to be a rewarding experience. The vines, adorned with vibrant yellow flowers, cascaded over my trellis, transforming a corner of my balcony into a miniature melon haven. With proper care, including well-draining soil, consistent watering, and ample sunlight, my Cucumis Melo plants thrived. How to plant and care for Cucumis Melo. If you're considering cultivating your own Cucumis Melo, here are some key pointers. Choosing the right variety. Select a variety suited to your climate and desired taste. Popular options include cantaloupe, honeydew, casaba, and Gallia melons. Sowing seeds. Start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost. Once nighttime temperatures consistently stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, transplant seedlings outdoors. Sunlight and soil. Provide your Cucumis Melo with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Use well-draining, fertile soil amended with compost for optimal growth. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot weather, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Support. Cucumis Melo vines are vigorous climbers. Provide a trellis or other support structure for them to sprawl on. The sweet reward. Who sells Cucumis Melo? Even with a thriving garden, there's always a place for readily available options. Fortunately, Cucumis Melo varieties are widely available in most grocery stores and farmers markets. When choosing a pre-cut melon, select one with a firm rind and no bruises or soft spots. Opt for whole melons if you prefer the satisfaction of ripening them at home. Look for a creamy yellow color at the blossom end, indicating peak ripeness. Beyond the backyard. Culinary delights of Cucumis Melo. The beauty of Cucumis Melo lies in its versatility. Beyond its potential health benefits, it shines as a culinary star. From refreshing salads and gazpacho to creative appetizers and grilled skewers, Cucumis Melo lends its sweetness and subtle flavors to countless dishes. Here are just a few ideas to inspire you. Classic fruit salad. Combine diced Cucumis Melo with other seasonal fruits and a touch of mint for a light and refreshing treat. Prosciutto-wrapped melon. Wrap bite-sized pieces of Cucumis Melo with prosciutto for a savory sweet appetizer. Melon skewers. Thread chunks of Cucumis Melo with other fruits, vegetables, and cheese for a colorful and flavorful skewer. My journey with Cucumis Melo has been an eye-opener. It's more than just a delicious summer fruit. It holds the potential to promote well-being and ignite culinary creativity. So, why not explore the world of Cucumis Melo? You might just discover a new favorite melon, and perhaps a surprising ally for your health.